Good afternoon. It's July 11th, 2024, and today we had a high volume sell off that took back all of yesterday's rally. So let's see, yesterday was about, let's say, 366 bars on the 650 tick chart, about 370 bars, we'll call it. And today was, wow, 730 bars. So very high volume today. Very good sell off. If you stick with the trend on a day like today, you should make a lot of money. So let's take a look at this. So we have this uh, news item, and I was talking about this in my trades video earlier. It's tempting to want to go long here, and you can, and you probably make money, but you have to realize we're probably not going to make a measured move up, and it's kind of obvious when you look at it on a larger time frame because that very clearly looks like a buy climax. A 96 tick bar. None of these bars, this probably looks like the biggest one. 80 ticks. So this one's 4 points larger than that one. And a lot better looking too, closing near its high. So uh, very safe to guess that this was a buy climax. And so at that point, you should be looking for a nice short. And there were plenty of those in here. So right off the bat, I like that one. I don't really see how you could go long here. But if you're just being aggressive and you buy and look for a test of the high, that's probably a decent idea. Uh, I like this second entry short, lower high, like a breakout pullback below this close of this big bull bar. That would have ended up being a good entry. I took profits right here, but I think it's reasonable to hold, especially after this bar closes, because that's a pretty weak buy signal. I made this the potential channel. It ends up looking like the channel is actually just, um, oops, actually like that. And you can see we just start to go sideways at the bottom of that channel. Then we bounce right here, and we get this channel up. Why don't I? That doesn't really end up being valid. So you get this quick bull channel right here, and move to a new high, and then we just go sideways some more. So there's a lot of sideways stuff in here for a while. I don't see any shorts or longs in here that I particularly like. And sideways, lots of overlap, bounce, and there's no real way that you would know to go short here. I don't think you can go short up here, but as soon as it breaks through here, I think it's such a tight channel already. I think you can sell any of these. Personally, I like, Al Brooks says that in tight channels, the difference between a breakout and a tight channel is in a tight channel, you want to sell pullbacks. You want to try and sell pullbacks. So I like sell at the top of, like when this bar is forming, sell at the top of this bear bar before it. You can see people did that here, or you can put your order a tick above, like right here, or a tick above this bear bar. You can see that works. I like buying above bull bars, basically, but I wouldn't have gotten in this until right here. So anyway, this tight channel keeps on going, and you can really just sell any of that. And we come down here and we hit this measure move, and you can see there's some profit taking there. It's just the second leg of this sell-off. I'm surprised that there wasn't more profit taking right there, but it's just the way it is. Sometimes there will be more profit taking there, and sometimes there isn't. There's like none today. So it goes right through that. Uh, After we bounce, we get two more legs down and then two legs up. And if you're feeling aggressive, maybe you take that, go short. Maybe you take this second entry short, but here, what I prefer is something like this, and then you just sell that little thing, 5 ticks. I'm probably gonna put my stop a little higher than that, but that's how I like to sell this. Another tight channel down, two legs back, another leg down, and then you get this. I like selling that too. Uh, you can see it's like I would say it starts like right here. You get a big bull bar, pause, that doji, breakout, pause, one more bull bar, and then it pauses. I like to sell that right there. And then what I did was I measured that bull rally, and then I brought it down to here, and it was the same size, like 10 points. And I didn't measure this one, but it's probably similar. Yeah, look at that. So that's something to think about. It's not going to get you accuracy 100% of the time, but man, look at that sell off. Very nice sell off. And then we just ride the bottom of this channel for a bit, and boom, another rally, sell that thing. And just, I would say, look for a new low. I took profits above this bar right here, this bull bar. But I don't, you know, you can never be perfect, but it would have been better to take profits at that new low. And then we get another rally. You could sell in there, but yeah, maybe like I like this after consecutive bear bars. Boom. Then a rally, and this, I mean, this is, I like this. Look, you get this bull move, pause, two or three dojis, four maybe, whatever you argue, two bull bars, pause, two bull bars, and then a couple inside bars, boom. You could really take that. Big sell off. And we're just going sideways. I think it's reasonable to take this. Reasonable to take this lower high. I don't like this failure, failed second entry long. Just you're in the middle of the range, or this channel, this broad bear channel. So you can see in this bear channel that we got a break here, but sometimes prices just don't really, I guess computers, you should think of it like that, because computers are doing most of the trading. Sometimes computers will just overlook the fact that there was a break here, because you can see prices responding to that trend line yet again. And then we bounce. And I mean, it's reasonable to be going long down here, but I'm not going to do that on a day like today. I've been stopped out one too many times doing that. So we get two legs up, and then we go sideways for most of the rest of the day. We get a nice little two legs down right here, and then a rally, but then it's just inside bars and stuff. Higher time frame chart, 6,500 tick chart. We got this spike and channel down, and then we form this range. So we'll probably get a breakout in the overnight or tomorrow of this range. I'm guessing that we're going to get at least a small leg down again, We could just break out a few points and then rally to a new high, but anything could happen. Here's a look at the daily chart. You can see we've got this big bear bar. Uh, let's take a look at this channel. So you could have your channel drawn like that. Midline looks like it fits, but then there's also possibility of this. Uh, so we'll just have to see. Hope everyone had a great day. Let me give you one last look at the chart. I'll be back tomorrow.